Good morning, Mrs. Lowen. My name's Anthony, one of the technicians working your vehicle today, carrying out a service, vehicle health check, also looking into the fault of the stop-start fault. We've supplied a new touch-up pen, which is in the centre console for you, also supplied and coded a new key. For the stop-start fault, I've traced this fault to the battery health. The battery's been replaced on warranty for you. Now for the service. With the vehicle on the ramp, to drain the engine oil, we inspect the engine, gearbox, the exhaust, fuel and brake lines, and please tell that all these items are in the green. With the road wheels removed, we inspect the front suspension, steering components, drive shafts. Again, all these items are in the green, nothing to report. We use this traffic light style system of red, amber and green to measure your front brakes. As you can see here, we have the 6mm indicator on your brake pads there. Nissan's minimum required for brake pad thickness is 2mm. Recheck these in approximately 4,000 to 5,000 miles. This brings me now to your driver's side front tyre. Just going to dip the tread depths here. As you can see, we have 3.9mm on the inner edge, 4.2 in the centre, 4.4 on the outer. This is the tyre chart we use. The tyre between 3 and 4mm, as you can see here, is between 78 and 62% worn. Here we have your driver's side rear tyre, measuring 6.1 on the inner, 6.0 on this middle, and 5.9 on the outer. Again, with the wheels removed, we inspect the suspension components. All these items are in the green. The traffic light style system again to measure the brake pads. As you can see here, we have again the 6mm indicator in there. Recheck these again, approximately 4,000 to 5,000 miles. Just move around now to the passenger side rear of the vehicle. Again, nothing to report on the suspension or braking components. Here we have your passenger side rear tyre, measuring 6.0 on the inner, 6.1 on the centre, 5.6 on the outer. Passenger side front tyre, measuring 3.9 on the inner, 3.7 on the centre, 3.7 on the outer. Just have to make you aware, on the body report, there's a small dent to the passenger side rear door. Any feedback on this video will be greatly appreciated. One of our service advisors will be in contact. Thank you for choosing Lucas Nissan.